Every year, so many new toys are developed for both fun and educational purposes. With so many options to choose from, it is no wonder that parents find it difficult to choose what's best. Toys for babies, toddlers and preschoolers may be intricately designed and trendy, but they should also be durable, safe and hard-wearing. There is an overwhelming amount of plastic toys on the market. They often come in many variations and are easily available in many stores, which is probably one of the main reasons why wooden toys can be overlooked. Despite the wide-scale availability of plastic toys, you should consider looking at traditional wooden toys. There are several reasons and benefits of wooden toys and decorative pieces. You can easily make most of these toys with limited tools and resources. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we are here to show you a collection of beautiful scrap wood toys and decorative pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to the advantages of wooden toys, they are environmentally safe. Wooden toys are usually sourced from sustainable wood, which makes it a friendlier option than their plastic counterparts. Wood is recyclable, biodegradable and a renewable substance. They can be colored using toxic-free pigments. Unlike mass-produced plastic toys, wooden toys are often produced using sustainably sourced raw materials and handcrafted by talented craftsmen. Since wooden toys use natural raw materials, they offer children a personal connection to the natural world as well. Wooden toys offer excellent educational value. Since wooden toys don't come with electronic parts or voices that give instructions on how to play them, children are often left to their own devices, gradually developing their reasoning skills, problem-solving skills, hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Classic wooden toys like miniature construction sets, building blocks and puzzles can also be used to help to teach your children to start to count and understand numbers. Wooden toys have a classic look and tactile feel. Children find it interesting to play with toys of different textures, shapes, sizes and weights. Plastic toys cannot always offer the same sensory experience that wooden toys have. You can even feel it for yourself. Well-crafted wooden toys have a certain sensation when touched. Their plastic counterparts often feel too plain and shiny. Since wooden toys have a bit of weight and tactile sensation to them, children can play with it and be aware of what they are actually doing. This is actually very important for children with delayed fine motor skill development or sensory disorders. The tactile component of wooden toys allows children to exert more effort and think more while they are playing. Take for instance a wooden toy car. It may not move as smoothly as a metal or plastic toy car, compelling the children to apply a bit of physical energy to make it move. Wooden toys can excite the imagination. Plastic toys are recipients of advancement in technology. Every year, there is always a new toy which features something new. Modern toys often have LCD screens, whistles, colorful buttons, activated sounds, bells and more. These features might overstimulate the children. When it comes to learning, keeping it simple is a good way to go. Wooden toys don't have unnecessary sounds or attachments, providing a blank slate upon which children can play using their vivid imagination. Wooden toys encourage social interaction. Playing with computer games or toy laptops can be enthralling and educational, but it is typically a solitary activity that does not promote interacting with others. Wooden toys, on the other hand, can help cultivate a sense of communication, interplay, cooperation and synergy among children. Wooden toys are free from the distractions that a lot of plastic toys have, encouraging children to interact with it by making various noises, sound effects or voices. They can do this by themselves or play along with others. Since wooden toys can fire up a child's creative imagination and sense of role play, this will help develop your child's social and spatial awareness. Wooden toys are durable and long-lasting. It is a fact that kids are very rough on their toys, they all end up being bashed, thrown around or left out when they lose interest. Plastic toys can often break, while those with audio-visual or digital aspects might malfunction or become obsolete. Wooden toys, on the other hand, can take quite a battering but can still be handed down to the next generation. Most wooden toys are made of solid wood, so it's rather hard to fully damage them besides dents and scratches. If they get dirty, you can clean them easily and prepare them for the next playtime. So if you are considering investing in toys which you can pass from one child to another, you can never go wrong with wooden toys. Wooden toys are safe. It is a fact that most plastic toys can chip off or break easily, leaving small parts which children can ingest or sharp edges which might cut their skin. Young children often put a lot of things in their mouth, and this is extremely dangerous. Since solid wooden toys are durable and long-lasting, they cannot be easily broken. Aside from that, wooden toys can make a connection with nature through tactile sensation, enhancing a child's physical, emotional, and mental well-being. With the wide range of wooden toys available in the market today, children and parents can further explore the world of play and enjoy the benefits together. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrapwood toys and decorative pieces ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.